Designer Nick Bentel turned a Barilla pasta box into a crossbody bag, and the limited edition release is retailing for $199. The price is hard to swallow, yes, but the bag is actually made of leather and not an actual cardboard pasta box. As it turns out, Bentel used UV printing technology to print the Barilla design on the one-of-a-kind bag. If your love for pasta runs pretty deep and you simply have to own the bag, you'll have to act fast. Bentel only made 100 of the limited edition purses, and once they sell out, the designer has no plans to produce any more of them. I came up with the idea during the worst of the pandemic while staring at the box of pasta in my cabinet. During the worst months of the pandemic, just about everyone had a similar experience of staring at this box of pasta, so why not try to reimagine the pasta's purpose into something a little more exciting? The New York-based designer said. The bag is currently available for pre-order on Bentel's website and will go on sale August 11 at 10 a.m.